One of the world's leading AI companies has released a warning that could have major implications for the future of technology. According to Anthropic, artificial intelligence may be entering the earliest phase of something known as recursive self-improvement, a process where AI systems help create more advanced AI systems. This doesn't mean AI is fully designing its own successors yet. However, Anthropic says the trend is becoming increasingly visible inside its own organization. Today, Claude, Anthropic's flagship AI model, is involved in a large portion of the company's daily development work. It writes code, reviews code, assists with research, and helps solve technical problems that previously required significant human effort. The numbers are remarkable. Anthropic reports that by 2026, more than 80% of the code added to its systems was generated by Claude. Just a year earlier, that figure was only a tiny fraction of total development work. Engineers now spend much less time manually writing code and more time supervising, evaluating, and directing AI-generated work. In many cases, Claude can identify bugs, diagnose failures, and suggest solutions far faster than human teams working alone. One example involved a software update that unexpectedly disrupted thousands of training jobs. Rather than assigning multiple engineers to investigate the issue, Claude was given access to the affected systems. Within a few hours, it isolated the cause, verified the problem, and confirmed a working fix, work that traditionally might have taken several days. Anthropic says Claude is not only writing code, but also helping review it. Internal analysis suggests automated AI reviews could have prevented a significant portion of past software incidents before they reach production systems. The company's researchers are seeing similar improvements in scientific work. AI agents are increasingly capable of proposing ideas, running experiments, analyzing results, and refining their own approaches. In some controlled research projects, teams of AI agents achieved results that rivaled or exceeded what human researchers accomplished over the same period. This development has attracted attention far beyond Anthropic. OpenAI has also acknowledged signs that AI systems are accelerating AI development itself. Both organizations believe this trend could dramatically increase the pace of technological progress over the coming years. Independent researchers are observing similar patterns. AI models are now capable of completing increasingly complex tasks that require hours of focused work. Just a few years ago, many of these systems could only handle tasks lasting a few minutes. As capabilities improve, a major question emerges. What role will humans play? Inside many AI companies, employees are shifting away from direct execution and toward oversight. Rather than personally completing every task, workers increasingly manage networks of AI agents that perform much of the underlying work. Anthropic outlines several possible futures. In one scenario, progress slows due to limitations in hardware, energy, or infrastructure. Even then, current AI capabilities could still transform industries across the world. In another scenario, AI continues boosting human productivity, while people remain firmly in control. Small teams could accomplish work that once required thousands of employees, accelerating innovation in science, business, healthcare, and government. The most transformative possibility involves true recursive self-improvement. In that future, AI systems will participate directly in designing and improving the next generation of AI. Progress could accelerate dramatically, potentially unlocking breakthroughs in medicine, energy, materials science, and many other fields. At the same time, such rapid advancement could introduce serious safety challenges. If increasingly capable systems become difficult to supervise or understand, ensuring they remain aligned with human goals becomes even more important. Because of these risks, Anthropic argues that stronger international coordination may eventually be necessary. The company notes that any meaningful slowdown in frontier AI development would require cooperation among multiple countries and major AI laboratories rather than action from a single organization. For now, AI is not fully building itself. But according to Anthropic, the first signs of that possibility are already appearing. The question is no longer whether AI can assist in creating better AI. The evidence suggests it already does. The real question is how quickly that trend will grow and whether society can adapt fast enough to keep up.